We're here at Feather River Nature Center in Orville for the first Family Fun Day, which runs till 2. First stop is rock painting.
Wow.
She's just a baby.
And a friendly box turtle.
Growing, and you will want to put them in another cloth bin or in the ground.
Okay.
So,
Oh wow.
We're not.
so you
Yes, there's a bucket around the corner of the steps. Okay.
She's just a
Still in the
distraction.
show, yeah.
And children were also given coloring books and activities while they're given a fire-safe educational lecture.
So we're gonna cut these out, and then glue one of these to the back of it just for some strength.